the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So this is our question. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Solution will be let the three multiples of 8 are 8x, 8x plus 8, 8x plus 16. So these are the three consecutive multiple of 8. According to the relation by the question, according to the relation by the question, eight x plus 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16 will be equal to 888. That means 8x plus 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16 will be equal to 888. First we will solve the terms of x. They are 8x plus 8x plus 8x. That means 24x plus 24. 8 and 16 will be 24 is equal to 888. That means 24x will be equal to 888 minus 24. 24x will be equal to 864 and x will be equal to 864 over 24, which is equal to 36. Eight x will be equal to 8 into 36, that is 288. This is our first number. Now 8x plus 8 will be equal to 288 plus 8, that is 296. This is our second number. Third number will be 8x plus 16, that means 288 plus 16, which gives 304. So these are the three numbers. It is our answer. These are the three numbers.